Hello, welcome to your video installation tutorial of your screen protector. During your installation of your screen protector, we advise watching the video on another device. Please remove all the contents from the packaging. Now, using your fingers, grab the top corner to split it apart as shown in the video. Now turn the screen protector to face down on a table, and slowly peel the back layer from the corner as shown. Let's get the guide stickers provided, and we will now add it to the screen protector. Please add 2 guide stickers to the back of the screen protector as shown. Now add 1 guide stickers to the top front corner of the screen protector as shown. Take the wet wipe provided and clean your device. Now take the cloth provided and dry the device. Grab your dust absorber sticker and gently tap on the device to remove any remaining particles. Grab your prepared screen protector and align it as best possible. Do not worry about misaligning the screen protector. You can move it as many times as you want till you get it in the right position. With your index finger, press up and down on the film starting line as shown. Grab your squeeze card, pull up on the guide sticker and use the squeeze card to push the bottom film as shown. Now grab your squeeze card and gently remove as many bubbles as possible. Now gently pull on the last guide sticker as shown to remove the top layer. Do not use your squeeze card direct on the device, as it may damage or move the screen protector. Rather, use the cloth on the squeeze card as shown to remove any remaining bubbles.